Yesterday, an idea found its way to me. This isn't uncommon. I have lots of ideas, and many are shared with me. But in this case, it was clear that someone cared a lot about this idea. A whole lot. Enough to make drawings by hand that look like this. Yes, this was a year of someone's time. So the least I could do was block an hour and try to work out if there was something interesting in these pages. Don Ferguson had the idea that a kerf maker would not require the use of a sled and stop block if mag jigs were incorporated into the design. I thought this had merit, but I wasn't sold on the exact design that Don had come up with to implement it. So I designed and built my own. So what I do like about this design is that the measurement of the blade kerf just involves sandwiching the blade snugly between the tool body and a movable slide. Then the second slide is set with the size of the piece that will be recessed. So the difference of the two slides is the travel required between the outer cuts of a perfectly sized dado. The tool is fixed to the table based on one of the outer cuts and becomes a stop block for the whole operation. There's a free download for the SketchUp plan for this tool on my website, link in description. I left out the fasteners because you could use slightly different sizes depending on whatever you have on hand. And the download also includes a full PDF of Don's idea, in case you'd like to peruse it like I did. Thanks, Don, for sending your idea into MagSwitch, and for my colleagues routing it to my desk, even though you all upset my to-do list for 48 hours. And thank you for watching.